In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a Fiverr gig description with ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know how to clearly define what you offer, turn that into a compelling description, optimize it for Fiverr search, and refine it for better conversions, all with the help of ChatGPT. Start by defining your service clearly. Identify exactly what you're offering on Fiverr and who it's for. Mention your core skills, relevant experience, and specific expertise so buyers can quickly understand your strengths. Highlight the benefits clients will receive. Think outcomes like stronger branding, faster turnaround, or more sales, not just tasks. Be specific about deliverables and results. For example, state file formats, number of revisions, or typical timelines. If you're unsure how to phrase it, ask ChatGPT for help crafting a professional, persuasive summary. You could say, write a Fiverr gig description for a professional logo designer targeting small businesses. Then refine the output to reflect your real process and quality standards. Next, generate a compelling gig description. Ask ChatGPT to create an engaging introduction that hooks the reader and speaks to their pain points. Focus on client problems and how your service solves them. Include key features and your unique selling points. Maybe your design methodology, your industry background, or your signature style. Keep the language clear, confident, and professional so it's easy to scan. An example prompt might be, create a Fiverr gig description that highlights quality, fast delivery, and customer satisfaction. Use the response as your foundation, then tailor the tone to match your brand. Now optimize for Fiverr SEO. Include relevant keywords naturally throughout the description to improve visibility in search. Mention services buyers are likely to look for like logo design, brand identity, or social media graphics. If that fits your offer, keep it readable. Avoid keyword stuffing and make sure every sentence provides value. To tighten this up, ask, rewrite this Fiverr gig description with SEO keywords for video editing services, then swap in your own niche and terms to get a clean, search-friendly version. Finally, refine to improve conversions. Add a strong call to action that encourages buyers to order or message you with questions. Generate multiple description versions with ChatGPT and test different openers, tones, and CTAs. Adjust the voice for different audiences or niches as needed. Then review for clarity, professionalism, and persuasiveness. Try a prompt like, improve this Fiverr gig description to increase clicks and conversions, and implement the best suggestions. With these steps, you'll craft a description that stands out, gets found, and turns views into orders.